we love our country, and we're getting ready to celebrate the 4th of July. Most people get together and have barbecues, have their family or friends over, and you got to have something for those children. So we are going to be making Patriotic Snack Mix. And we got something to show you because, you know, Casey is working in Teresa's place because she's in surgery with her husband. So her husband, Thomas, loves gadgets. Show him. That was Thomas last night in y'all's kitchen, right?
With popcorn.
I want to see all Thomas's gadgets. I swear I do. So we've got his popcorn that he popped so beautifully. Not a seed in the whole bunch. Not one unpopped kernel. So we're going to melt a stick of butter. Okay, come on. Okay, sometimes I can fire that one and it'll fire this one. But not today. So we'll use this eye. Last night, I think I took that out. Oh, there it is. Now I bet it'll fire. Yep. When I cleaned the stove last night after supper, I didn't put the little thing back on properly. Okay, so we're going to melt our butter. And we're going to add a half a cup of sugar. And we're going to add, I think that's a tablespoon of corn syrup, right? Right, Casey? Whoa! You know, this reminds me when I was on the Oprah show and I was using these little glass ramekins. I dropped one. I was making my Grandma Paula's sour cream pound cake for Oprah. And it dropped in the moving mixer. And batter was flying everywhere. And what did I do? I ran.
It was so funny.
It was funny. You know, and seems like it made, somebody told me, the top 25 videos.
I think it is.
And my son Bobby had bought a brand new suit to wear on the Oprah show, and he was on the first row, and he got cake batter all over that new suit. And he was mad as a hornet because you know how he's funny about his clothes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going to let that sugar dissolve. And, you know, we are calling this a patriotic, so we're using red and blue candies. And we've got some white chocolate covered pretzels that we're going to be using. And so we're going to boil this for about a minute, stirring it constantly. Okay, so last step was adding our gelatin. And we're going to let that cook and stir it constantly, y'all, for about 3 minutes. We want to make sure it's nice and distributed. In fact, I think I'm going to switch. At this point, I think I'm going to switch to a whisk to make sure I get all that gelatin incorporated. And this is it's not a strawberry, it's a cherry gelatin. And it was a 3-ounce box. Okay, so we put our heat on simmer for 3 minutes, stirring constantly. And now I'm going to drizzle this over our popcorn, and then I'm going to be stirring it to make sure it's all coated, because I want Thomas's popcorn to work out perfect. Patriotic popcorn, y'all. And we're going to put this in the oven on like 250, and we're going to bake it for 20 minutes.
Stirring every 5 minutes.
Yeah, stirring every 5 minutes. That's right, because you want to keep it from not kind of sticking together, you know? So in the oven it goes, and like Casey said, we're going to stir this like every 5 minutes for 20 minutes. So our next step is to lay this out in as much of a single file as we can. I think I'm going to take that tray out. That'll give us a little bit more room. And you'll want to take this out kind of immediately as soon as you take it out of the oven. You don't want it to cool in your pan. So we're just going to let that cool. And then we got some more good stuff to add to it, y'all. This popcorn is so good, just like this. Do you taste it, Casey?
Yes, it's delicious.
You tasted it?
I did.
It's so good. And it doesn't take but a couple of minutes for that popcorn to cool. I wonder if I'm coordinated enough to do this. Who wants to bet against me? I will. Look at that. I did it, didn't I? So, you know, I told y'all about these chocolate candies that were patriotic colors. And we got to have something white to go with that red and blue, don't we? Red, white, and blue. Holy moly. The big kids and the little kids are gonna love this. So why not maybe get a chocolate with it? And then buy a white. Oh, good. Why don't you make sure you take some to your children
They'll love it.
and show your husband Thomas how good he popped that corn.
They made it.
Perfect. So you'll just want to put this in a nice sealed up container and say Happy 4th of July, y'all. I got a little sidebar, y'all, on the patriotic popcorn. Eddie was digging down in my cupcake decorations, and he found these patriotic stars. So, you know, just use your imagination. So the kids will be happy when they come up on a star. They don't taste like anything, but they're pretty.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.